Hello, David here, and the project for today is adjusting the roof rack on my 2018 Toyota RAV4. I've got the official key for it. When I got the car, it didn't come with a tool for it, and I didn't know how to adjust it. And then my daughter just bought a 2016 RAV4, and she got this key with it. So I went on Amazon and I picked up this key. This is what it looks like. You can find them on eBay as well. You can find the communist Chinese parts. You're only going to save $1. You might as well get the official Toyota part. And this is the part number PT278-42151-AD. Comes with an instruction sheet. Now you can't go putting your mother-in-law on there because it's got a maximum load limit of 100 pounds. Rather than look over this hieroglyphics, let's go to the car and see how it works. Quarter turn counterclockwise. Lock it with a quarter turn clockwise. And you're good to go. By the way, if you want to remove the roof rack, just unscrew this out. This will come out, and then this lower clamp under here will come out. It's just screwed in. And if you're not getting enough clamping force, it's still loose, turn it clockwise to tighten it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.